Dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So here we learn how to find the trigonometric functions when angle is more than 90 degree. In class 10, we have read up to the angle 90 degree. Now we'll go beyond 90 degree. So what we have learned till now? If a triangle is a right triangle and one angle is denoted by theta, then opposite angle A, opposite side is denoted by P, and the adjacent is denoted by B, and hypotenuse is denoted by H. Then we write different trigonometric ratio of that angle is equal to your P by H. Similarly, you know cosine will be B by H, and you know that tan of this angle is equal to your P by B. Similarly, cot theta is, it is B by P. You know cosec theta is equal to your H by P. And you know that sec theta is equal to H by B. You have read in class 10. You have read sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You can get other relation from it. You know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to again 1. And you know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is also 1. And you also know that simple relation tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, or cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Similarly, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, or 1 by sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Similarly, sec theta is equal to your 1 by cos theta. And the most important thing, you know the relation between p square plus b square is equal to x square, applying your Pythagorean theorem. So if pb is given, you can get h. If hb is given, you can get p. If h and p is given, you can get b. So that if one trigonometric ratio is given, you can find others. Next, what else you have learned? You have learned that trigonometry function of different angles. You have learned it. If it is 0 degree, then your 30 degree, then your 45 degree, then your 60 degree, then your 90 degree. You know all the trigonometric ratios. You know that sine theta, sine 0 is equal to 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. And you know that cos theta is equal to 1. You will go in the opposite way, you will get all the value. Root 3 by 2, this is same as 1 by root 2. This is your 1 by 2 again, and this is 0. And you know how to write tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sine by cos, that will be 0. So here it will be 1 by root 3. Here will be 1, then root 3, then it will be undefined or similarly, cot theta is equal to reciprocal of tan theta. You can write all the things. Sin theta is cosec theta reciprocal. You can write sec theta. You have learned it, and you can. So in this class 11, you know that you have to express the angle in the radian. For it, you know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Or 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree, and 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. That means if you want to convert degree into radian, I'll multiply with pi by 180. 1 degree into radian. To convert degree into radian, multiply with pi by 180. So let us write all the things. Here I am writing in degree and I'll write in radian. Degree is your 0, radian is 0. When it is 30 degree, I'll multiply pi by 180, so this will be pi by 6. Similarly, if it is 45 degree, I'll multiply pi by 180, that will be pi by 4. Then 60 degree, I'll multiply, it will be pi by 3. 90 degree, I'll multiply by pi by 180, it will be pi by 2. Then it will be your 180 degree, this is pi. Then you have 270, it will be 3 pi by 2. And 360 degree, you write 2 pi. So you can convert any degree into radian with this expression. We have learned it. And if you have not learned, you can see my another video where you can find it. So next we'll go to find the value of trigonometric functions beyond 90 degrees. So we have learned how up to 90 degree. Then we'll go beyond 90 degree. What will be a value of sine 180 degree, sine 120 degree, cos your 135 degree, cos your 270 degree. So many value to find out. This is the video how to get the trigonometric function of the all angles beyond 90 degree or beyond pi by 2. So I have taken a circle and we say it a unit circle. That means I have taken this radius of the circle as 1. Now this angle is theta. I want to find the value of all trigonometric functions not beyond 90 degree. First I am writing within 90 degree, then I'll go beyond. So this is your if this point is P and it is denoted by x comma y, so this is your center. This is I'm writing A. So OA is equal to x and AP is equal to y. And this I'm denoted as your R. I've taken 1, but this is radius. So what is the length of the R? R is under root. R is under root x square plus y square. And you know that the range of a function, it is never negative. So R is always positive. R is always positive. R is positive. Now next is, here I am writing in the when theta is acute. Theta is acute angle. That means the P is in first quadrant. P is in first quadrant. Now I am writing your sine theta in first quadrant. So sine theta in the first quadrant will be y by r, opposite by hypotenuse. Similarly, cos theta will be x by r. Tan theta will be your y by x, because this will be p by b. Cot theta is equal to how much? X by y. Then sec theta is equal to r by x. Cosec theta is equal to r by y. Now when P is in the first quadrant, both x and y are positive. Both are positive. When they are positive, that means R is always positive. So all the trigonometric ratios are positive. All the trigonometric ratios are positive in first quadrant. What we have learned in class 10. So we read all the values in first quadrant. Because when we are going beyond 90 degree, so first we should know what are these sign of these angles. It will be positive. All will be positive. Up to 180 degree it will be positive. 270 degree it will be positive. 360 degree will be positive. First we are saying, learning whether they will be positive or negative. So this is all about your first quadrant. Next I'll come to second quadrant. When this P is in second quadrant means if this is your theta angle, then it is xy. Then you will see that here this x is your negative. X is negative here because I am in the second quadrant. X is negative. R is always positive and y is positive here. So here in the second quadrant, when theta is in between pi by 2 to pi, or theta belongs to second quadrant. Theta belongs to second quadrant, and sine theta, all the function you know very well now. Sine theta is x by r, cos theta is equal to y by, sine theta is y by r, x by r, tan theta is equal to y by x, and cot theta is equal to your x by y, sec theta is equal to r by x, and cosec theta is equal to r by y. So here in the second quadrant, what is positive, what is negative? X is negative and y is positive. So which function among these will be positive and which will be negative? So where x will be there, it will be negative. So cos theta will be negative. Then your tan theta will be negative. Then your cot theta will be also negative. Then your sec theta is also negative. Only sin theta will be positive and cosec theta will be positive. So in the first quadrant, here all positive. In the second quadrant, we are getting sine positive and cosec positive. Now let us come to third. So now going to third quadrant, when angle is in between 180 to 270 degree. So theta is in between your pi to 3 pi by 2. This is 0, this is pi by 2, pi, then here this is 3 pi by 2. Theta is acute angle and in between this. So that means I am in third quadrant. So in the third quadrant, you will see x and y both are negative. X and y are both negative. So which one will be positive, which one will be negative? Sin theta negative, cos theta negative, tan theta will be positive because both are negative. This is also positive. This is sec theta negative and cosec theta negative. So when theta is in between 180 to 270 degree, so we find that tan theta, cot theta positive and rest will be all negative. So next is your fourth quadrant, when theta is in between 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. So what about xy? So here x is positive but y is negative. So x is positive, y is negative, so sin theta will be negative, cos theta will be positive, tan theta negative, cot theta negative, sec theta positive, cosec theta negative. So here in fourth quadrant, it will be cos theta negative, positive, and sec theta positive. So cos and sec. So we to remember this, we can get a clue that all school to college or Some people do this, add sugar to coffee. That means here all your sine and cosec, tan and cot, and second cosec. Now we did when it is your in the quadrant. Now let us see when they are on axes. Axes means when your 0 degree, when your 90 degree, when your 180 degree, 270 degree. What will the values? So here when your it is on x-axis, or even negative x-axis, that means 0 degree and pi degree, 0 and pi. At 0 and pi, you are not getting any y. Y is 0. Only x is there. So wherever y is 0 on x-axis, you will get the value will be 0. So on your x-axis, on the x-axis means it is your pi, 0, n pi, or I'll write this is multiple of pi. Multiple of pi is your n pi when n is an integer. N is an integer, maybe negative, maybe positive. You are getting sine theta is 0. When sine theta is 0, tan theta is also 0. And what about cosec theta? Cosec theta is never 0. Similarly, when the value is on y-axis, angle is on y-axis, that means when theta is equal to, here theta is equal to n pi, here theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. When it is a odd pi by 2, there cos theta is 0. Cos theta is 0 and cot theta is 0. So next coming to your, when it will be, we will get some other angles. First, I am taking your sine pi by 2 minus theta. That means when angle is your 90 minus theta. When it is 90 minus theta, you have read in class 10 that is sine 90 minus theta is equal to your cos theta, isn't it? Recalled or not? Yes, cos theta. Similarly, your cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Because when you are getting 90 minus theta, that means you are in which quadrant? First quadrant only. So in first quadrant, all are positive. So I'll write sine 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, sine theta, tan 90 minus theta will be your cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, and the sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. So here we got 90 minus theta double. Then I am coming for your 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta means, or it is pi by 2 plus theta. This is your pi by 2 minus theta. This is pi by 2 plus theta. When it is pi by 2 plus theta, it will be only changed to your quadrant. Pi by 2 plus theta means I am in second quadrant. So in second quadrant, sine is positive, cosec is positive, so rest are negative. So here if I'll write sine 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta, because your sine is positive. So 90 plus theta is plus cos theta. But when I'll write cos 90 plus theta, I'll write this will be negative sine theta, because in second quadrant cos is negative. Similarly, tan 90 plus theta, now I'm writing pi by 2. Pi by 2 plus theta, it will be minus cot theta equals tan negative. Cot pi by 2 plus theta, it will be minus tan theta. Then your sec 9 pi by 2 plus theta is equal to your minus cosec theta. And here cosec 90 plus theta. Yes, yes, you are correct. It will be plus your sec theta. Let me rub it, write clearly. It will be sec. It will be positive. Cosec is positive, sine is positive. So here it will be positive or will be negative. Next I'll go for your one is 180 minus theta and 180 plus theta. Or we'll simply say pi minus theta and pi plus theta. So when 180 minus theta, that means pi minus theta means pi. Again, you're going back theta angle from your anti-clockwise direction. So sine pi minus theta is in your second quadrant. Pi minus theta in second quadrant. So it will be same as your sine theta because sine is your positive. But when you write cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. I hope now we can write all the ratios. Tan pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Cot pi minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Sec pi minus theta is equal to minus sec theta. But when we take cosec pi plus theta, sorry, it is pi minus theta. It's equal to what? Yes, your guess is correct. To be plus cosec theta. Next, coming to 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means I'm in third quadrant. 180 plus theta. So the functions will be same, but according to the quadrant, it will be negative or positive. Sine in third quadrant negative, so minus sine theta. Similarly, cos in third quadrant it is negative, so minus cos theta. Tan is your positive, so plus tan theta. Cot positive, sec negative. I hope you can write yourself once you can link it or you understood it. It is easy. So 2 pi minus theta means it will be your 360 degree minus theta. So it will be in, or this is simply minus theta. We are in fourth quadrant. 2 pi minus theta is in fourth quadrant. So recall who are negative, who are positive. Cos is positive, sec is positive in third quadrant. So sine 2 pi minus theta is equal to your minus sine theta. Cos 2 pi minus theta is same as your cos theta. Tan 2 pi minus theta is minus tan theta. Cot 2 pi minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Who will be next? Positive. Sec will be positive. Sec 2 pi minus theta is sec theta. And then cosec 2 pi minus theta is negative. And you must be thinking there's so much she's writing, but you'll see that if you learn this, you will feel very comfortable to write all the angles. So 2 pi minus theta is same as your minus theta. That means if it is sine minus theta, immediately you will write that this is minus sine theta. What is minus theta? Minus theta means I am going from your clockwise direction, like this. Minus 30 degree, minus 60 degree, minus 45 degree. Similarly, cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So we call cos theta as your even function and sin theta is your odd function. Next is 2 pi plus theta. 2 pi plus theta means 360 degree plus theta. 360 degree plus theta means I completed one rotation 360 degree, then I am going plus theta. Theta is acute angle, so I am in the first quadrant. So 360 plus theta or 2 pi plus theta will be your first quadrant, all will be positive. So sine 2 pi plus theta, your sine theta, cos 2 pi plus theta is your same as your cos theta. So on. I am not writing all the terms. 2 pi plus theta is also tan theta. Now here I am writing another very important concept. Now when I'll complete 2 pi means 360 degree plus theta, theta is acute angle, I am reaching the first quadrant. If I'll complete your second rotation, then plus theta, I am in the first. Then third rotation plus theta, I am in the first. That means if it is your 2n pi plus theta, where n is any integer, it may be positive, it may be negative. If it is negative, I am going in this direction, because it remains same. So 2n pi plus theta is same as your 2 pi plus theta. So this formula helps you to find all the angles up to, you can say, infinity. So sine 2n pi plus minus theta is equal to same as your sine plus minus theta. If it is plus 45 degree, then it will be plus 45 degree. It is minus 45 degree, then it is minus 45 degree. Depending on the theta value, you can write. Similarly, I'll write cos 2n pi plus theta is equal to cos theta. Tan 2n pi plus theta is equal to tan theta. So with this knowledge, let us go for the exercise questions. So to exercise 3.2, this is your all positive, sine positive, cosec positive, tan positive, cot positive, and your cos positive, sec positive. Question number 1. This says cot theta is equal to your 3 by 4. Find theta lies in third quadrant. Find all other trigonometry ratio. That means find sin theta, find cos theta, find all trigonometry ratios. So cot theta is equal to 3 by 4. Now recall the fact your p square plus b square is equal to h square. So here h is equal to 5, 3 square plus 4 square under root. Then I'll go for sin theta. Sin theta is equal to how much? P by h. Here this is your B, this is your P, then it will be P by H means it is 4 by 5. Next coming to your quadrant. It is in third quadrant, so sine theta in third quadrant negative, so I'll put a negative sign. Next coming to cos theta. Cos theta is equal to how much? Cos theta is equal to B by H, so it will be 3 by 5. Then what is the value in third quadrant? Negative, so negative. Then cot theta is just reciprocal of this. Cot theta, it's not cot theta, it will be tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. Then your cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta minus 5 by 4. Then your sec theta is equal to minus 5 by 3. Is minus 5 by 3. So this is your first question. Now it's question number 2. In question number 2, it is given that tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12. X lies in second quadrant. So in second quadrant, sine positive, cos positive, cosec positive, others are negative. So tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12. So when you write tan x is equal to p by b, no need of writing your negative. Only after getting the answer, we'll write whether it will be positive or negative. So write find h is equal to 5 square plus 12 square under root. You know that is 13. Now writing sin x. Sin x is equal to p by h. So this will be 5 by 13. And it is second quadrant. Here sign is positive, so no need of putting a negative. It will be positive. Then cos x is equal to b by h. So it will be 12 by 13. So it will carry a negative sign because in second quadrant is negative. Then your cot x is equal to minus 12 by 5. Then your sec x is equal to minus 13 by 12. And what about cosec x? Yes, it will be positive. Next, coming to finding the values of trigonometric functions from question number 6. Find value of sine 765 degree. So here recall the fact what the sine 2n pi plus theta is equal to sine theta. And n is an integer. That means it should be multiply of 2 pi. Multiply of 2 pi means multiply of 360 degree. So what we'll do, we'll divide 765 with your 360 degree. How many rotation is completing? 361 rotation. When again 360, it will complete 2 rotation. So this will be 720. How much is the remainder? 45. So I'll write the sine 765 is equal to sine 720 plus 45 degree. Or this will be sine, how many pi? It will be 4 pi plus 45 degree, or this is same as 2n pi, 2 pi multiple. So simple, it will be sine 45 degree. What is the value of sine 45 degree? It will be 1 by root 2. Next is question number 7. 7 is find cosec minus 141 degree. So here, please note that we are writing Sine, I'm taking the example, it is for all the things. 2n pi plus theta. N can be negative also. N can be negative integer. Negative. So I can write this as negative also. So you know that 360 multiplies 4 is equal to 1440. So I'll write this will be cosec minus 1440 plus 30 degree. So this is same as your cosec. How many? This will be 360 into how much? 4. 2 pi into minus 4 into 2 pi plus 30. So the answer is cosec 30. What is cosec 30 degree? Cosec 30 degree is 2. Next is question number 10. Your cot minus 15 pi by 4. So it is in pi, so no need of getting into degree. You can write that cot, this will be minus 16 pi plus pi by 4. Is it so? Minus 15, I can write this one. So this will be same as your cot minus 16 pi by 4 plus pi by 4. So this will be how much? This will be cot minus 4 pi plus pi by 4. Minus 4 pi is multiple of 2 pi. So this will be just cot pi by 4. How much is cot pi by 4? It is 1. Now how much you have understood? Let me see. I'm going for some more questions. I hope you have learned. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notification for next video. In the next video, we'll go for more trigonometric functions, compound angles and exercise 3.3. Thank you for watching.